Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting with the exercise 4.4, the statement sums. The first sum, Sanju carries a bag weighing 6.3 kilogram. Express the weight in grams. That is the conversion question that we have done in exercise 4.3. 6.3 kilogram converted into grams. Question number 2. Ram Singh distributed 1.5 liter of milk equally among 5 students. How many milliliters of milk did one student get? That 1.5 liter milk is distributed among 5 students. You have to find out the milk that each student has got, means one student has got. You are given the milk of 5 students. You have to find out the milk got by one student. To find out anything for one, we always divide. That means 1.5 liter will be divided by 5. You can convert 1.5 liter to milliliter, and after that you will divide it by 5. Third question. Ramesh distributed 1.350 kilogram of grapes equally among his 3 daughters. Find the share of each one in grams. Same question. Here it is given to you that first you have to convert it into the grams. This 1.350 kilogram will be converted to grams, and then it will be divided by 3 to get the share of each daughter. Question number 4. Sheila bought 4005 milliliter of milk and Joshi bought 4050 milliliter of milk. Convert into liter and compare who bought more milk. We are given here that we have to convert into liters. These two quantities of Sheila and Joshi, 4005 milliliter and 4050 milliliter, both will be converted to liter. Now, liter is greater unit than milliliter. So when we have to go in the greater unit, we divide by the relation. Means 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So 4005 milliliter divide by 1000 to go into the liters. We will get the liters in decimal. And then we will compare who bought more milk. कि शीला और जोशी में से किसने ज़्यादा milk लिया. Question number 5. If 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, this is the relationship of inch and centimeter. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter, then how many inches will 60.96 centimeter make? Means we have to find out the inches. From the centimeter we have to go to the inch, means inch is greater unit between these two. So when we have to go to the greater unit, we always divide. Means 60.96 centimeter will be 60.96 divided by 2.54. Here it is the division of decimal number by a decimal number. Means there cannot be the decimal in the divisor. That I explained you in exercise 4.3. Now we will shift the decimal to the right end. Means we have finished the decimal from the divisor. By the same number of digits, we will shift the decimal in the dividend. Here I have shifted 2 digits to the right. Here also I will shift 2 digits to the right. The number will become 6096 divided by 254. Now this will be done by the long division. Question number 6. The product of two numbers is 18.576. If one of the numbers is 5.4, find the other. First frame the question, means let the other number is x. Product means multiply. Let the one number is x. Let one number is x. Then the product of two numbers x and the other number is 5.4, and the product of both is 18.576. That is the question frame. This is the formation of the question. Now we will find the value of x. Here it is 5.4 multiply by x. When 5.4 will change its side, it will go to the right side and it will be divided. Now again there is a divisor in the decimal. We will shift decimal to the right end in the divisor. I have shifted here 1 digit. So 1 digit will be shifted in the dividend also at the same time. Now the dividend will become 185.76 and the divisor will become 54. Now 54 is a whole number. We can divide it by the long division. Question number 7. A car covers a distance of 198.22 kilometers in 4.4 hours. Find the distance covered by car in 1 hour. Covered by car in 1 hour. We are given the distance covered in 4.4 hours. We have to find out the distance covered in 1 hour. Again, to find out the distance covered for 1 hour, we will divide. This distance will be divided by 4.4. Here again it is a decimal in the divisor. We will shift the decimal and then after that we will do the long division. The shifting of decimal will be done in both in the divisor and in the dividend at the same time and by the same number of digits. Question number 8. A bus covered a distance of 631.25 kilometers in 5 liters of diesel. Find the distance covered by bus in 1 liter of diesel. Same question. Distance covered in 5 liters you are given. You have to find out the distance covered in 1 liter. Here there is no decimal in 5, so it is a very simple question. This distance will be divided by 5 and by long division we will find out the distance covered in 1 liter. The last question. I have 2 gold rings weighing 7.534 grams and 5,300 milligrams. Identify the heavier ring. Heavier means which is heavy. After converting the rings into the same unit, it is written here same unit. Whenever we have to do the comparison of two things or more things, the units should be same. Here the unit of one ring is given to you gram and unit of other ring you are given milligram. We cannot compare these two unless we convert both the units as same. Here it is given to you grams. We will convert 5,300 milligrams to grams, or we can convert 7.534 grams to milligrams. It is your choice, whatever you want to do. The relationship is 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. You will make same units and after that you will compare and find out which ring is heavier ring. That's all for exercise 4.4. This is the end of the chapter 4 also. After that, in the next class, I will give you the assessment for the chapter number 4. Thank you.